Hello, this is Nathan from Resume Genius. One of the things people struggle with most is writing a cover letter. So today I'm going to show you how to use our cover letter builder to create your own cover letter in minutes. Let's head to resumegenius.com, go to Builders, and then click on Cover Letter Generator. Hit the Start Now button to enter the cover letter builder. It's going to ask you some yes or no questions here. If you have previous work experience, here's where you enter the details. I'm going to say I worked as a researcher at RG Oceanography Institute and hit Continue. It's also going to ask you how long you worked there. I'm going to say 3 years. Now, for skills, find the industry you're in. I'm choosing associations and nonprofit. After you select your industry, it'll show you a list of skills for you to choose from. When you're done adding your skills, click Continue. Having gaps in your work history is normal, and you can choose whether to explain them or not. If you'd like to, then click Yes, and you'll see a list of reasons you can choose from. If not, just select No, and then Continue. Now, let's add some more skills. Choose any that apply to you. I'll go with analytical, problem solving, and research. I think quality-oriented describes me the best. As for how other people would describe me, I think they'd say I'm efficient. Now the builder is asking me what position are you applying for, so it can personalize my cover letter to this specific job. I'm going to copy and paste the job title here from the job post, and then hit Continue. Then enter your first and last name. My cover letter is almost ready. I just need to add a few personal details. If you want to include your location, just your city and country are enough. Then put in your phone number and email address so the hiring manager can reach you. Finally, enter the name of the company you're applying to, and if you know the hiring manager's name, you can include that here too. Here you can use the arrows to choose the design you like. If there's anything you want to add or edit, just click Edit. For example, I'm going to replace "at your company" with the actual company I'm applying to. Take some time to read through your cover letter and review everything. And once you're happy with it, click Save and proceed to download. There's a small fee to download the PDF file. The good thing is you'll get 14 days of unlimited access to pop back in and make more cover letters for different jobs. Plus, it'll also give you access to our resume builder, where you can make your own professional-looking resume from scratch in minutes. And that's it. We've got even more resources for job seekers, including free downloadable templates, expert career tips, and resume writing tips for every job imaginable at resumegenius.com. Best of luck from the Resume Genius team.